So we can put declination back on. Snug them up. All right. We'll work on wiring up declination now. Okay, declination is very similar to RA. Let's first put the switch in. And on deck we have a home switch only, no limit switch. Okay, so we're not getting a click or the switch is not closing. We can rotate the switch a little bit, but sometimes, yeah, we're gonna have to bend this arm that's holding the switch. It's right on the edge. I have no further adjustment to get a click out of that switch. Whoop, barely. So we're gonna pull this off. Okay, so I went ahead and replaced that switch. This one has a much more positive click to it. So there we've got declination home switch wired up. All right, we will continue on. We'll pass up the declination wiring block. Along with the screw and retainer to hold it in place. Snug those up. In goes the PCB. Go ahead and wire this up while we're putting it in here also. I'll leave that one unwired. It's just 2 Phillips head screws that hold this PCB to the standoffs. And these are pretty easy to drop. They're stainless steel, so they're not magnetic. It'd be easier if I could stand in front of the camera, but hey, we'll get it here. Oh! I jinxed myself. All right, third time is a charm. Alright, and then home switch for declination plugs into the PCB over here. As I said, the PCBs are labeled so you'll know which plug goes where, and they are directional. You can't put them in the wrong direction unless you're... So we'll go ahead and bring a zip tie in here to hold this home switch wire out of the way. Cut off the tail with some side cuts. All right. We have declination assembled. I'm just putting the saddle on now.